Kennel Crew, what up? We are live. Friday night fire is in full effect. We got number 33 of the 26 Mixer series. 5 boxes, 2 hobby. We're working through cases of Delight and Jumbo and the iMac. Appreciate the love, y'all. Good luck. Here we go. Hobby first. Thank you. All those of you that were in early and often at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Appreciate the love, y'all. Good luck. Popcorn. No, I stopped on the popcorn. I had to eat a late dinner. I had to eat a late dinner just now at 10 o'clock because I wasn't hungry from all the popcorn I fucking ate. It was great popcorn, though. I'm not going to lie. It was great popcorn. Newt Bar. Dylan Dingler to 199. Troy Melton for the Tigers, followed by a Judge. So, Ryan, for those that don't know the inside joke, Ryan K's son, Andrew, was doing a fundraiser. Like, they buy backpacks for kids that need them for school season. I think what it is a thing. And so he was raising some money. So I bought a lot of popcorn. It's really good popcorn. If anybody wants the link, let me know. If anybody wants the link, let me know. I'm sure it's still going on. At least I think it is. I can check. But it was really good popcorn. Really good popcorn. There's a Pujols. Hunter Green, Vlad Guerrero. Might be over, I don't know. Okamoto, oh my gosh. O.M. Jizzle. Okay. All right. This is the time when Brandon A starts clinching. This is the time when Brandon A and Little Willie start clinching. Both Roman Anthony and Murakami, I believe, are redemptions. This is when we start putting the butt cheeks together a little tighter. Rookie autograph teal parallel. That's to what, 199?
rap crack, new drop smell. Sleeves on deck, my hands don't fail. Flip through bass, heart stay chill. Then that shimmer hit, and the room went still. Tiny print, big time gold. My knees got weak, but my grip stayed bold. Owner yelled, man,
Look at that!
whole shop froze.
Everyone drop a pack.
Put a monster at the car bar, worth more than a sports car. Whole room screaming that.
Cameras out like I'm a star. Yeah, get in the pool, B. Maybe can't pay for every box I toss. From the fresh pack straight into the Lord. The dream of God ball game out. God going live for the world. Langford and Rumfeld. Caps in the line.
On screen, my jaw dropped. He said, "This pool can't be topped."
Hands still shake when I hit replay. Change my whole week. There's a show, hey. Screaming that's so hard. McGonigal, Tatis, Anna Contreras. The one card paper every box I tore. From the fresh pack straight into the low. Hit the dream at the card ball. Julio Green to 99. Sheet on the block. Tole there. Prism Gaussman. Never is bizarre. Side toe. That's straight into the low. Hit the dream at the God. Whoops. Ricky. Hey, Valera Refractor rookie. Logan Webb Prism. Matt McClain. Weatherholt. Max Fried on the negative. Mm. Owen Casey Burleson. Perspective, Nick Kurtz. Shea Langoliers. William Contreras. Patrick Bailey, Mason Miller. There's a Joe Ryan, Corbin Carroll. Boom, ba-da-dum. Boom, boom. Autograph coming. Base auto. Rookie for the Angels. Christian Moore. Buntman's on the Angels. Nice hit there for you, Bunt. Jung-Hoo Lee refractor and a Schwarber. Bryce Harper. Garrett Cole, Bobby Witt. Dansby and a Buxton. Oh, Ink Strokes auto coming our way here. Pack 1. It's an Ink Strokes auto. It's a base. Batter, we like that. Dylan Dingler? It is Dylan Dingler for the Detroit Tigers, Brandon. Bang. Ink Strokes Dingler. Bryce Eldridge, Mike Trout, Ryan Ritter, and a Sean Murphy. Oh, what do we got here? Is that black? That is indeed black. I saw a W, Addison W. How about a Harry Ford Black Wave to 10? Wow, Addison. That's kind of a banger right there, bro. Congrats, man. Oh, cow, Adwad. Great card, bro. Devin Williams and Shota. Roman Anthony, Julio, and a Glaber. Nick Kurtz and a Zagnito and a J-Ram. Mike Trout. What do we got here? Oh, we got a pair insert auto here. Got an insert auto coming. Still 150 for the Tigers again, B. That's a Jackson Job. 75th diamond autograph, Jackson Job. Sick on card there, B. Gavin Williams. Skeens and a Beatty. Dela Cruz, Marte, Grant Taylor, and a Freddie Freeman. Bobby Witt, bang. Jacob Wilson and a Rooker. Kyle Teal refractor. Bo Bichette. Bryce Eldridge on the refractor rookie. Austin Riley to 99. Dalton Varsho to 25 here for the Blue Jays. That's an orange. Ellie, that's a sick one there for the Reds. Otto Lopez, Yuri, and a Ponce. I just got a fresh batch of Delights in, by the way. A fresh round of 6 cases of Delight. If anybody wants to take a shot at some Chrome Delight, I got 6 fresh cases. Just fresh off the truck. FOT, baby. I thought about doing a big baller division break on it like tomorrow night. Like a division on a case. That would be sick. Green Geo to 99. Oh, look what we got here off the back. For the Rangers, Jose Corniel. And a championship signatures out of nowhere for the Pirates. I don't even remember Bert Blyleven even playing for the Pirates. He's a Twin only in my eyes. That's for the Pirates. Bert Blyleven. All right, Immaculate, here we go. I do remember the Angels. I just don't remember the Pirates. Whoa. This guy's like in the top 50 prospects. I was just looking him up. That's a fantastic start here. How about a 1-of-1 to start this box? How about a 1-of-1 to start this box? For Sean D and the Milwaukee Brewers. We were hoping for Miz, but we found Luis Pena. He's one of their top prospects for sure. 1-of-1 Pena. Bang, Sean D. This one's for the White Sox. 4/99, Billy Carlson. Beauty here for the Yankees, Cam Schlittler. Cam Schlittler to 99. And a triple patch here. We got Willits, Bremner, and Mariners. That's to 25. This one will be randomed. To 25, Theo Gillen, Immaculate Ink for the Rays. Miguel's on the board. There you go, Miguel. Hell yeah. Back to back, these types out. I don't think we've seen any of these Immaculate Inks in any of the boxes, and now we got them back to back here. I honestly don't know who this next guy is. I know he's a Yankee. It's an Immaculate Ink to 99, Elmer Rodriguez Cruz. Pretty sure he's a Yankee, yeah. A lot of prospects in this box. Holy cow, what do we got coming here? Wow, what a break here for Ad Watt. What a break here for Ad Watt on the Natties. How about a patch auto, 21 of 25, Eli Willits. On card auto. Bang, Addison. It's a banger, bro. Bang. That's a hit for the Mariners. All right, here's a recap. Hey, that was a great break. We got 2 breaks left in the series. Starting, we'll probably do it Sunday and then Tuesday, okay? 2 breaks left in the series. Last 2 boxes of each of the cases. I don't think we've seen the legendary autograph out of the Delight yet, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, did we? Ooh, don't quote me on that. Maybe we did. It's a Harry Ford to 10 right there for the Nats. Great break right there, guys. Thank you so much for the fill. Murakami here. The Bobby Witt blue and the 1 of 1 Pena. Thank you for the fill.